Yo, what's up, guys? All right, so check this out. Been trying to work with something here to give you a little tutorial for FireBot. Um, what was bothering me so much with FireBot 4 was getting everything to kind of jive and work together, and specifically around commands. For example, I've made my own shoutout. I got sick and tired of the latency issues and browser problems that all of these other third parties have. In FireBot, you can actually make your own shoutout command. Now, the really amazing part of how this is going to work. So let me show you really quickly. Let's shout out Regnath Streaming. Him and I have been working on this together. So
Mary?
and in OBS now, look, it shouts him out.
Yes.
It's that simple. And here's the beauty of it all is with this, there's no delay. It's instant.
Got you.
And we actually, I found a way to make it so that it queues all your shoutouts and works with your Stream Deck. And we're going to go
Stop
over
it.
all that
Get some help.
right now. So as you can see, it clearly works. But here's the beauty of it. When you first go to set it up, you're going to do, I'll give you some do's and don'ts. You'll go exclamation SO for shout out. You'll go down here and you'll think, okay, we need to add bass effects. The problem is you don't want to do that. You actually want to add a sub command. And this is where we were messing up. And Reggie figured this out, which so brilliant. Shout out to his guy. Basically, we've done it 12 times. It's exclamation SO for the command prog trigger. So when you're in your OBS chat, when you're in your stream chat, when you're whatever in FireBot chat, you can simply type that in at the person's name and it'll do it. So you see, I don't have any bass effects. There's none. No bass effects. Absolutely zero here. However, under my sub command, you'll see at username roles active. And the usage is at username. All right. We're going to go over a new one. We're going to set it up together so you guys can see how it is. But this works, and what it does is it plays a video, and it's pretty awesome. So the usage is what we had to adjust. So exclamation shout out at username. Now to play a clip from their channel, we'll get into that too. And we'll get into some do's and don'ts and the things of all that nature that are critical. So you'll go new custom command. We're going to name this one exclamation VSO, video shout out. Sure, let's do that. Now, under restrictions, I highly recommend you do this. You're going to type in permissions. And you're going to go add. And then you're going to click this arrow here. And you're going to go down. You're going to add yourself. And you're going to add your moderator. So whoever is your moderators, whoever they are, you can add tier 1 subs, things like that. Or a bot, for example, if you want your bot to do it for you. So like any kind of a third-party bot, streamer bot, stuff like that. It would you could actually add it in here and have it do it for you. Isn't that cool? I won't go into that in this video, but for right now, we're going to specifically work with FireBot. So we've got all this done, right? You're going to click add subcommand. And under custom, you're going to type in, or you're going to click username. Okay. You're going to click add. So now at username and all that is added there. So you're going to go excellent. So you're going to save that. Don't forget, if you want a video shout out, as it stands right now, you'll shout them out and there'll be nothing that comes up. But if you want to see a clip of their channel or of things they've done, you'll click this little arrow, you'll go down, and right here, usage is the, exclamation VSO at username. So whoever you're targeting, you're going to go down here, you're going to add effect. We're going to type in video. We're going to go to this. You'll see that there's Twitch is in there as well. Now at the moment, there's nothing in here for Kick. So unfortunately, it's kind of a thing, but you can do a Twitch clip, a YouTube video, or a random Twitch clip. I always like doing the random. So you'll click random, and here you're going to do $target, which means that when you type exclamation at somebody, in this case, Reginald Streaming, like we did earlier, I'm targeting Regnoth Streaming's username. That's what this means. So now you can adjust a few things too. You can have only featured clips, which I don't recommend. Not many people do that. Maximum clip age is probably not great either, but you can do it. One of the most important things in FireBot to make sure you do if you want to have things sequentially add up 1 to 10, not all 10 at once, is you click wait for the video to finish. This is super important. I personally like 1064 by 599, and I put it in the top right. So you can also do like animations for it to come in. So it kind of fades in. Let's do a roll in, a roll out. So now we'll add it, and voila, it's exactly the same as the previous one we just made. You need to go into here, and you're going to want to add shoutout command. So we're going to create a new one for the purpose of this video. We're going to call it VSO, video shoutout. You want to click sequential, and you can add a delay in between the shoutouts. So like I'll probably do a 1 second delay, just so you can be like one ended, the other one started kind of thing. And then you go save. In here, all of the things are being ran on the sub commands, so it's fine. And this will show you what permissions you have added, if any, on any of these commands. All right, let's bring over our OBS again. We're going to go exclamation VSO at Regnoth Streaming. He's a buddy of mine. Check him out on Twitch.
Yep. Oh,
you see that? Just like that, guys. It's something that you can queue multiple things, and it honestly is a quick and easy way to set it up. So that will be it for my how-to guide for setting up your own shout out in FireBot. And this will give you video clips through Twitch, and you're good to go. Now, if you're going to set this up and you're going to attach it to the Stream Deck, which is right here, it's actually incredibly easy. All you have to do is use the barraider.com for Twitch tools in Stream Deck. So that is located right here, barraider Twitch tools. All I did was I left click and drag whatever I want. So clip to chat, clear chat, channel monitor, change title and game. You can drag any of those over and make those as a button. What I did, you could even have one for viewers if you really want. I just clicked and dragged this. That's it. Grabbed the shoutout and dragged it over, and it'll be this button here. You can change those buttons to whatever you like with the little plus here. It opens up a secondary tray, and you can kind of get a bunch of free ones, or you can pay some money. But the most important piece is that when you first get it, it does not actually have the @ right here. So you need to make sure to add the @. And if you've changed it exclamation VSO, you would need to add a V right there. Okay, and then it will work from your Stream Deck. You could push this button here. You'll see people's icons load up on the screen, and I'll show you right now. See? There you go. And you click their portrait, for example. As soon as you click their portrait, boom, they get shouted out in FireBot through the thing you made up yourself. Now, let's say you don't want that. Let's say you want a channel redeem instead, because you're just too busy with the games, or some people don't want the shout out. You can do channel redeem shout out. And it's pretty simple. Don't want that on though. I have it set up to limit it for one person per stream. And all it was to set this up was actually pretty simple. I just went into here, I added an effect for, I typed in Twitch shout out, and I put in target $user. So whoever clicks that channel redeem is considered the user, and it will shout them out. You'll go save there, and then under the video, again, you're going to search up video. You're going to get random Twitch clip in this pull down here. You'll have these options here. and $user again, meaning the person clicking the button. You can set maximum ages and things like that, but I simply did not. Again, make sure to hit that wait for video to finish. Type in your wonderful 1067 by 600 or 1064, whichever you're feeling like. And literally, that's it. Now, as long as everything you've built on FireBot is through FireBot, this will go into a queue system. So if there's already a channel redeem playing, this will come next. If you have that little skip the queue thing, this will be priority. So if something's going, this will override it and you'll hear both. I don't recommend doing that. And like anything else, I would recommend like you used, shout out queue system, something like that, to help it load up multiple in case multiple people have hit that button. And then you can actually have it when it's approved, you can have a little chat message come up if you really like to. So what you can do then is you can go here and you can add effect. You can type in chat. So it'll send a message to the chat and you're going to send it as yourself. So it becomes you telling everybody. And you go $, or please check out $user. They are amazing. And that'll go into chat. And then there you go. It's done. It's that simple. That is now completed. I don't actually need 2 of these, so I'm going to delete that now. The exclamation SO works perfectly for me. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, like, subscribe, hit me up. Thank you. Take care.